Hello everybody, my name is Corinne Keenan and I'm a junior Communication Sciences and Disorders major here at LaSalle. I'm also a writing tutor at the CAA and today I'm here to help you learn how to make an outline for your paper. Making an outline is an extremely important step when writing a paper. It might be tedious in the beginning, but it makes writing your paper so much easier in the long run. It's important to note that every kind of paper requires a different type of outline. Sometimes you need a super long, in-depth outline, and other times you need just a few main ideas to get the ball rolling. To figure out what kind of outline you will need, refer to the prompts that your professor has given you. If they are asking for a lot of specific ideas or quotations, it's probably best to make a detailed outline. If they're asking for more of a reflection, a few main ideas will probably suffice. By the way, if you guys want a detailed look at the pages, pause this video at any point to see them. I dug up some of my old papers as examples to show you guys. This first outline that I wrote is for a paper for my honors English class my freshman year. The professor had a very detailed prompt and the paper required a lot of very specific ideas. For this paper, I did a pretty basic outline, but had a long note section of things I wanted to include. This note section helped me to detect patterns in the book I was analyzing and helped me to formulate those main ideas I wanted to include in my paper. Once I saw the patterns, I really only needed a basic outline. This next outline was for the same class. The prompt again was very complex. My outline was still relatively simple, but allowed for a good direction for me to take my paper and followed the prompt very closely. This allowed me to stay on topic and allows my paper to flow. It was easy for me to follow while writing, but was also easy for my professor to follow when he read it as well. This next outline was written for a reflection paper I wrote this past semester. This paper was a lot less formal and therefore required more of an informal outline. This outline doesn't necessarily have an introduction and conclusion, but more so a compilation of my thoughts on the materials that week and was organized in chronological order of when they occurred to me and any additional thoughts I had. This last outline is one of my longer ones, made for my honors religion class. I put the exact research citations that I wanted to be using right into the outline, which helped when I wrote the paper because I could follow the outline completely. helped my paper stay on track, and I was able to see the overall picture, which helped me formulate a good conclusion. You can also see that I highlighted information in the outlines, which made it easier for me to see what information I definitely needed to include while writing my paper. The rest was just background to help me understand those main points. I hope that my examples have given you some new ideas on how to attack a paper going forward. An outline is the most important step most times and makes writing your paper so much easier with so much less stress. Good luck with your paper. Bye!